hello there. Hola everyone. Ayan, today is Friday guys. So, it's it's senior time. Every Friday guys, nagsisenior kami. Ayan, it's guys, it's a Filipino tradition. Ayan, magpunta sa simbahan guys. Senior Santo Niño every Friday. Ayan, so, ayan, kakatapos mo lang po maliga guys. And I'm ready na. I'm ready to go na guys. So, ayan, mag-aayos lang ako ng konti guys. Ayan, mag-aayos na naman tayo guys. And this is my bag. Ayan, ito lang yung bag ko lagi na ginagamit guys. Ayan, kasi nandito yung mga things ko guys. Nandito yung aking mga important things. Katulad na lang itong aking shade guys. Ayan, ito talaga yung paborito kong shade guys. Every nalalabas ako, ito lang yung ginagamit kong shade guys. Ayan, kasi pack na pack to siya guys. I really love the color. Ayan, ito yung aking shade na ginagamit. Ay, ever labas ko guys. And, ayan, yung aking pouch, hindi mawawala yung aking pouch guys, aking bag. Ito ang laman nito guys, mga barya. Ayan, barya lang guys ang meron ako ngayon. Ayan, soon buo-buo na guys. Ayan, kasi ang tagal ng payout guys, wala pang payout. Hinihintay ko pa yung payout guys. Ang tagal-tagal bago dumating. Guys. So, ayan. Ito yung mga laman ko sa aking bag guys. A wallet. Ayan yung big wallet ko guys. Nandito yung mga ATM ko na walang laman guys. Mga IDs. Ayan. And then, ayan, kailangan ko lang magpabango guys para mabaong no tayo. Fresh tayo. Ayan. Ayan guys. Oh my God. Malapit na maubos yung aking guys. Malapit na maubos yung aking pabango. Ayan, kailangan bago to maubos guys. May pambili na ako. And medyo nandito na siya guys. So, alam mo, mag 2 years na sa akin to guys. Talagang tipid na tipid ako guys. Kasi, ang mahal din nun. Almost 2K yun siya guys. Ang bango niya. Makahanap na ako ng ka-date nito guys. Sa February 14. Ayan, makahanap na ako nito guys. So, ayan po. Ayan. So, ayan. I'm ready to go na guys. So, maglalagay lang ako nito guys. Yung ating wet rest. Sa aking hair. Konti. Ayan. Oh my God. Napadami na naman yung aking guys. Bigla na naman siyang bumulwak guys. Bigla na naman siyang umano. Ayan. Lagyan ko lang dito banda guys sa aking hair. Ayan. Para hindi siya ayan. Para hindi siya mag-dry guys. Ayan, ganda-ganda na naman ako sa sarili ko ngayon guys. I really love my outfit for today. Look, ayan, I feel so beautiful and young. O, diba guys, I really love it. Pack na pack naman talaga yan guys. Ayan, ang bango nito guys, yung aking para siyang conditioner. It's guys, pampalambot ng aking hair kasi ang gulo-gulo ng aking hair guys, ang kulot. So, I'm finished. So, I'm ready to go na guys. So, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy my videos guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos guys, you can also send me a separate things gift. And you can also avail a membership on my channel guys. I have a videos for members only. For members only guys. Ayan. You will like my videos. That's very nice. It's very nice guys. Very nice. It's all about my fashion. It's a fashion guys. Ayan, just like me, just like this video, it's a fashion. I really love my dress for today. I'm so happy guys kasi it's very cheap for only 250 pesos, diba? Pack na pack siya guys. May pangrampa na naman ako. So that's it for today. Bye everyone. Bye.